Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. A dead battery can leave your trailer stranded when you least expect it. For truck drivers, fleet managers, and maintenance teams, checking battery voltage isn't just a routine task. It's a way to avoid costly downtime and keep operations running smoothly. Regular voltage checks help catch issues early, from weak connections to failing batteries, saving you time and money. Here's how to do it right. Why checking trailer truck battery voltage matters. Ignoring your trailer truck's battery voltage is like rolling the dice on a breakdown. Sooner or later, luck runs out. A weak or dead battery doesn't just stall your rig. It can lead to expensive repairs, missed deadlines, and even safety risks if electrical systems fail at the wrong moment. Catching voltage issues early keeps your truck moving and prevents small problems from turning into costly headaches. Signs of a weak or failing battery. A dying battery rarely fails without warning. Watch for these red flags. Slow engine cranking. The starter drags or hesitates before turning over. Dim or flickering lights. Headlights, dash lights, or interior lighting look weaker than usual. Electrical glitches. Accessories like wipers or radios act up or lose power. Warning indicators. A lit battery light on the dashboard means trouble. Swollen battery case. Extreme heat or overcharging can warp the battery's shape. If you notice any of these, it's time for a voltage check before you're stuck waiting for a jump start. The impact of temperature on battery performance. Batteries hate extremes. Cold weather thickens the electrolyte fluid inside, making it harder for the battery to deliver power. Heat, on the other hand, speeds up chemical reactions, which can degrade components faster. Both scenarios shorten battery life and strain voltage output. Here's how to stay ahead. Winter prep. Cold reduces cranking power. Check voltage monthly and keep terminals clean to avoid sluggish starts. Summer care. High temperatures accelerate water loss in lead-acid batteries. Inspect fluid levels, if applicable, and ensure proper charging. Seasonal testing. Voltage drops faster in extreme weather. Test more frequently during temperature swings. A well-maintained battery handles weather stress better, keeping your trailer ready no matter the forecast. Tools and equipment needed for testing. You don't need a mechanic's garage to test your trailer truck battery, but the right tools make all the difference. Whether you're checking voltage or running a load test, these essentials help you spot problems before they leave you stranded. Must-have tools. Digital multimeter. The go-to for voltage checks. Look for auto-ranging models, no manual dial adjustments, for simplicity. Budget options start around $20, while pro-grade versions, $50 plus, offer longer durability and extra features. Battery load tester. Unlike a multimeter, this tool simulates real-world demands on the battery. Prices range from $30 for basic units to $150 plus for heavy-duty models. Hydrometer. Only for traditional lead-acid batteries with removable caps. A $10 glass hydrometer measures electrolyte strength. Safety gear. Gloves and goggles protect against acid spills or sparks. How to use a multimeter for voltage checks. A multimeter gives the quickest snapshot of your battery's health. Here's how to use it safely. Set up the multimeter. Turn the dial to DC voltage, V, and select 20 volts range for 12 volts batteries. Auto-ranging meters skip this step. Connect the probes. Place the red probe on the positive terminal, plus, and the black probe on the negative. No need to disconnect the battery. Read the display. A healthy battery shows 12.6 volts or higher when fully charged. Below 12.4 volts means it's time for a recharge or replacement. Safety note. Avoid touching both terminals simultaneously, and keep metal tools away to prevent short circuits. Understanding load testing for accurate results. Voltage checks tell you if the battery is charged, but a load test reveals whether it can handle real demands. Mechanics often use this before replacing a battery. How it works. A load tester applies a high current draw, like starting the engine, for 10 to 15 seconds while monitoring voltage drop. If voltage crashes below 9.6 volts, the battery is weak. When to do it. Use load testing if voltage seems fine but the truck struggles to start, or if the battery is over 3 years old. Load testers come in two types. Carbon piled testers, bulky but precise, ideal for shops. Handheld testers, portable and user-friendly for drivers. For most owner-operators, a basic handheld tester does the job without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching Part 1. If you want to learn more about troubleshooting and maintaining your trailer's electrical system, stay tuned for Part 2. See you soon. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.